Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. $15 minutes. Oh, what's going on, guys? Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $400 daily listening to music for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, you have tuned in to one of the best channels on YouTube when you want to learn how to make money online. Now, it'd be beneficial for you guys to hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I'm presenting today. Now, this method is absolutely free to start and it's available worldwide. So please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss anything. So don't skip at all. Watch it all the way to the very end. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called Radio Earn. So this is the website you're going to use to start making money listening to music for free. So let's scroll down here and see how it works. So you're going to sign up. It's a free account. After you sign up, you'll be able to log into your account and you'll start radio or use API. Now, you can listen to the radio on this website in your account and make money, or you can use the API and put it on your website or another website that you associate, that you're connected to. And every time somebody comes to their website and listen to the music that's on there, you're going to get paid. And also earn and pay out. So every 15 minutes you get points. These points will convert to US dollars the following month. And it's going to pay out through bank transfer, Amazon gift card, or Bitcoin, and also PayPal. So let's just scroll down here and look at some of the features you guys will love. High compatibility. All browsers that support HTML5 audio can start earning. Best place ads. Ads in the audio stream depends on your location and will give you the highest eCPM. Over 35 countries are supported. So that's a lot of countries that are supported. And eCPM, you'll find out what that is once you sign up, because what that is they're going to pay you according to the countries. Different countries going to pay out different amounts. So your CPI might be a certain amount in the United States, or it might be a certain amount in the UK. So it just all depends. You'll find out once you sign up with this website. Now, your style of radio, they really don't know how to type in English here. A much of options and functions for styling your radio and design, all real time and live. So they're just talking about the design of the radio, so you can design it any way you want to. Detailed statistics and APIs, so it's going to give you real time statistics. And simple system, so stable point exchange and much of security systems for you and your partner. So it's just got a real good security system, so you don't have to worry about anybody hacking your system or anything. And like we said before, earn and payouts, so earn in live time and your converted points into US dollars. You can every time. So man, they really don't know how to they really don't know how to talk in English. I think this company is from Germany, but the payouts through PayPal. But don't let the English fool you guys. This is a good website to earn some money. Okay, now here's some questions and answers. So if you want to ask some, want to find a little bit more, find out a little bit more about this website, you can come down here, and this is worldwide, so it's available worldwide, so you don't worry about if this is available in your country. And basically these questions are already answered, for as PayPal pays out through PayPal. And here, see our live statistics. So right here, it just shows the members, 150,000 members, 1,000 something listeners, $218,000 already been paid out. And as you can see, it's available worldwide. So that's all I'm gonna say about this website. It's very interesting. You get to listen to music and make some money. So just go to radioearn.com to get started. Now, one other bonus I want to show you that you can make some money by listening to music is with Fiverr. So let me just go to Fiverr right quick. And when you go to Fiverr, if you just type in listen to your music, and as you can see down here, what pops up is, look at this right here. I will listen to your music and give you professional feedback on it. And they're charging $10 for their service. So what you can do is open up an account with Fiverr, and you can provide this service. Say, hey, I will give you honest feedback on your music. So you'll be able to listen to music and get paid this way also. And as you can see, it's a lot of people are doing it, but it's not too oversaturated. I know it's 6,000 services available, but some of them are about promoting music and things of that nature. So that's just a bonus right there. You can start doing that also while you're working on radioearn.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start making $400 daily listening to music for free. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. Before you leave, please direct your attention to the description below and click on the link where it says my #1 recommended method to make money on Autopilot. Click on that link. It's going to take you to a website, and it's going to show you step by step what you need to do to get started. Also, check out some of my other cool stuff I have in the description below. I have some apps that I made. If you guys can please check that out for me, I really appreciate the support on the apps. And if you want free gifts, I have a link down there for that. And I have a link you can click on if you need some money right now. And also, if you want to start a stock portfolio, I have some free stocks that you can get right now. Just click on that link. And I have some other cool stuff you can check out that's going to help you on your journey to make money online. So check all that out in the description below. All right, guys, that's it. Before you click away though, hit that like button for me and help me to get like 100 likes. Thank you guys for helping me get 50 likes on one of my videos. Now I want to get 100 likes. So hit that like button. It's real easy. It's right under this video. Hit that little thumbs up. You're all set. You like this video. And drop a comment down below in the comment section if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 3,000 subscribers. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Let's get there. Let's do it. I appreciate you guys for helping me get there. So remember to type hashtag get your grind on because somebody's going to win. And please share this all around the internet because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make money on Autopilot. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, one more thing before I go. I want to give a shout out to a person. I love their comment. It was, "Hey, it's me." Thank you for that shout out. And thank you for subscribing. All right, guys, that's it. Grind family, I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Keep supporting the brother, and I'm going to keep dropping this content. All right, one more thing before I go. I know I keep saying one more thing, but really, I'm about to go after this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.